Okay, I'm going to show you how to remove a dent from canvas. Here's a piece of canvas art. I don't know if you can see it. There's a dent there in it. And I'm going to show you an easy way to get it out pretty quickly. What you need is a cotton rug or towel or just something so that you don't lay down to lay your canvas on so it doesn't get damaged. I'm going to do that. And the dent is right here. You always want to do it on the back side of the canvas. You get a hair dryer. And you get a rag that's dampened with warm water. Now damp, not soaking wet. As you can see, no water is coming out of it when I squeeze it. And what you do is you rub it on the back side of the canvas where the dent is. It's kind of wet. Kind of let it soak in for a little bit. Then you want to plug in your hair dryer and put it on high heat, and an inch or two away from it, it's going to blow. What it's going to do is it's going to allow that water, as it dries out, to shrink that canvas a little bit. Flip it over. As you can see, the dent is gone. Good luck. Hopefully it helps you out.